Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my September box here. Let's dive right on in. This one, as well as I want to say last month, did not come with the bubble wrap, which kind of surprises me. Now, the first product that I'm going to show you guys is the Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. This product retails for $60, and I believe that this one was my choice. The packaging of this product was really velvety and smooth. Hello, sexy. Opening it up, I did receive their, I want to say it's their charcoal cleanser, and I really like that product, so I feel like this one, I'll probably like it as well. I'm really happy that I got an exfoliator before my subscription runs out because the Tula one is almost done, so I'm so happy that I have this now. Back to the box. This box came really late. I only received it like a couple days ago. The second product that I received is from Elamis. This is their Superfood Aha Glow Cleansing Butter, and this one retails for $38. This one is really exciting because I've heard really good things about pumpkin for the skin. I've never tried pumpkin on my skin, but I've heard a lot of good things. It smells so delicious. I cannot wait to use this on my face. I'm not really a big fan of like pumpkin scents and stuff like that, but I think because this product has mango butter, that is why I really like the smell. The third product that I'm going to show you guys is from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. This is their multi-use makeup base sticks. I love the packaging of this. This little stereo box is adorable. I really like it. The products themselves, I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this. Similar to a couple of the lip liners that I received back in like December, I want to say. These are just kind of giving me like cheap vibes. Neither of these twist up to expose more product, and the copper one is shorter than the nude one. So I'm just confused by these all together, and they do retail for $20. So that's a little bit concerning. Like, look at this. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe they work. I guess we'll see in the future, but I don't know. I wouldn't buy these. The fourth product that I received in my box is from Give Them Lala Beauty. This is the mascara. This product is really disappointing, and I'm going to show you guys why in a second. The overall packaging of the mascara just is dirty. I don't know if they were trying to make it look marbly or something like that, but it just doesn't look clean. It looks just dirty. The wand itself, it looks really small, so I feel like you can get into the inner corner of your eye and the bottom lashes, but overall I'm not really excited about this product. It does retail for $20, and if I'm not mistaken, my Milk mascara was $24, I want to say, and that one, the mascara was heavy. You know, you're paying for what you get, so for $20 this is like really overpriced in my opinion, but who knows. The last product that I'm going to show you guys is from Half Caked. This is the Best Friends Forever In Bloom Plus Duo Fiber Brush Set. Now, when I first seen this, I was really excited, and then when I opened everything up, I was kind of like, I don't usually wear blush, so this is going to be very interesting to use. I like how this was packaged, and it came in its own little bubble wrap. When I was looking at the bristles on the brush, they just looked super shiny to me, so I'm hoping that this brush is really good. None of my other makeup brushes have shiny ass bristles like that, so I was kind of like, is this cheap? Because it does retail for $22, this package, so I'm hoping that, you know, this blush and this brush actually work. I don't know about this color either. I don't use like colors like this, so this will be interesting. You guys will be seeing this in the near future, hopefully. Alright, that is the end of this Boxycharm unboxing video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, you like the video, all of that good stuff. This box was interesting because there's a couple things that I'm really excited to use, and then there's a couple things that I would probably never buy in my life. I also wanted to do something differently with this video, and that's why I did a voiceover, but yeah, either way, please make sure that you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.